So normally when you say master degree, we say masters. We don't say master degree. I want to do my masters. Rather than saying I want to do a master degree, you must say I want to do my masters. Tell you one thing. So supposing you go for an interview, so you have got a habit of just touching your face. So just try not to do that. So whenever you talk, if you get that habit, even in casual talk, then even in an interview or in an office situation, you will not do it. So whenever you talk, you try to avoid that. So you can just talk normally. Properly, also the second R is silent. Properly. You can just say properly. No need of that. You can actually think there is no R when you're talking about properly. That's enough. He has been living in Canada from 2000 or since 2000 or for 8 years. From, when you say from, you must say the year. From and since are the same. From and since have the same meaning. He has been living in Canada from 2000 or he has been in Canada since 2000. Both are same. You can use since or from. If you are using for, he has been living in Canada for 20 years or 18 years, something like that. So since and what's the other word? From indicates a particular point in time. Since 2000, since or from 2000. But when you say for, you say for 10 years or 20 years or whatever. You just write that down. Huh? Which is the? All are correct.
Don't want to equal both of the sentences in the same point. I'm asking, if I use the since, don't want to use from.
Yeah. You should not use.
Yeah, okay.
You should not use both.
Either we want to use.
Either you use since or you use from. Don't use both. Okay. Gearboxes. Okay. See again gear. Gearboxes. Yeah.
Once upon a time he called me around what you are.
Once upon a time we don't use.
Okay.
Once upon a time you use only when telling stories.
Oh, okay.
Say again, once he called me. Once he called me. Yeah. So how do you say ASKED? Asked. You are saying asked.
Okay.
You should not use asked. ASKED, it is asked.
Asked.
The A sound, not A. Asked. He asked from here. From here. Onwards is a time. Onwards say from now onwards. When you're saying I will learn from here, you should not say here onwards. I will learn from here. Okay. I'll learn from here now onwards. If you want, you can say like that. Okay.
Some sentences.
Can able.
Okay. He can learn.
He is able.
He is able.
He is able. Or he can read.
Okay, sir.
He is able to read. Or can and able should never be said together because they both mean the same. Can and able have the same meaning. So you should not say can and able together. So you must tell me, first you must tell me if it is correct or if there's any mistake in it. Okay? Surmuge is very colorful village. What do you say?
It's
A. When you talk about a village, you're saying a village, you can't just say village. Surmuge is village, you cannot say. You must say it is a village. Surmuge, Urun Surumilya. Like that, you must say a village. Surmuge is a very colorful. Surmuge Uru Adagana Ur. So we say, just like we say in Tamil, we say in English also, there should be an A. Okay? The climate. Okay, this A, the and Sulli, there's one video. I put a video called The, A and An. It has got 3 parts. Each part will be about, I think, 10 minutes or something. You see that video. It's a very important video. If you want to know English, you must know where to use the, where to use a, and where to use an. If you don't know these things, you will not be able to speak English. Why it is difficult is because in Tamil there is no word for a, an and the. ஒரு வார்த்தை இருக்கு, that means one. One means only one. Supposing you suddenly see a dog. First time you're seeing a dog. So what will you say? I saw a dog. Okay, that's correct. I saw a dog. Supposing you see elephant. What will you say? An elephant. You know the difference between those two. First I see a cat over there. Then I am telling, I saw a cat. Then the cat is running here. Then what will I say? Will I say a cat is running here, or will I say the cat is running here? I will say the cat is running. முதல்ல ஒரு பொருளை வந்து when we are first seeing a thing, we will say so that cat has already been introduced to us. Now it has become a particular cat. It has become ஒரு குறிப்பிட்ட பூனை ஆயிடுச்சு. ஒரு குறிப்பிட்ட பொருளை நம்ம சொல்லும்போது தன்னு சொல்லணும். பொதுவான ஒரு பொருளை சொல்லும்போது ஏன்னு சொல்லணும், அல்லாட்டி ஆன்னு சொல்லணும். அப்புறம் வந்து அடுத்த சென்டென்ஸ் அதை பற்றி சொல்லும்போது திரும்பவும் ஏ கேட்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. ஐ saw a cat, a cat is runningனு சொன்னாக்கா செகண்ட் டைம் சொல்கிறது வந்து வேற ஒரு கேட் மாதிரி அர்த்தம் வந்துடும். ஐ saw a cat, the cat is running. So when you say, supposing I say பைக், ஒரு பைக் வெளியே நின்றுருக்கு இல்லையா, இப்போ அங்கே ஒரு பைக் இருக்குது நம்ம எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியும். ஸோ வாட் யூ சே ஏ பைக் ஆர் த பைக்? த பைக்குன்னு தான் சொல்லணும். ஏன்னா நமக்கு அது வந்து அறிமுகம் ஆயிடுச்சு. உங்கள் பைக் இருக்குன்னு தெரியும், உங்கள் பைக்கு தான் அது. Supposing there is a bike there and we don't know whose it is, somebody else's bike. It is not, does not belong to any of us. One bike is standing there. What do we say?
You say a bike.
A bike is there. A bike is there. If we know it, then we say the bike is there. So what is the is always about a particular thing. A and an are about common things. So this you must keep in mind while writing. So a, an and the will come almost in every sentence. Almost. A, an and the will always come in a sentence. You must know when to use it. Is okay. Climate இருக்கு. கிளைமேட்டுக்கு ஏ இல்லாட்டி த வேணுமா? த வேணும். ஸோ ஆல்வேஸ் த கிளைமேட் இஸ் குட். ஆல் பீப்புள் ஒர்க்கிங் இன் ஹேண்ட்லூம். ஓகே, ஆல் பீப்புளுக்கு ஏ இல்லாட்டி த வேணுமா? பீப்புள் வந்து நான் ஒருமையா பன்மையா பண்ண வர எதுக்குமே ஏவோ ஆனோ யூஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. அப்போ வந்து த பீப்புள், த பீப்புள்னாக்கா அங்கே உள்ள பீப்புள் பற்றி பேசுகிறோம், அதனால தான் த பீப்புள்னு சொல்கிறோம். பொதுவாக பீப்புள்னு சொல்லணுங்களேன். பொதுவாக பீப்புள்னு சொன்னால் பீப்புள் ஆர் வாக்கிங் இன் த ரோடு. ஆனால் இப்போ இங்கே வந்து குறிப்பிட்டு நம்ம வந்து சிறுமுகையில் உள்ள மக்களை பற்றி பேசுகிறோம். அப்போ ஆல் த பீப்புள்.